Welcome to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we're going to show a quick video demonstration on Thule's new Vector Medium cargo box. The Vector comes with a felt-lined base for added gear and box protection. It also is equipped with an integrated LED motion sensor lighting system. The white interior lid helps illuminate the box when the LED lights are turned on. Simply push the button on both lighting units to turn them on and watch the box illuminate. Once you have the lights turned on, just wave your hand in front of the lights and it'll reactivate the light. The Vector has 6 anchor points, 3 on each side, and includes 3 cam buckle tie downs. These anchor points and tie down straps will help prevent your gear from shifting inside the cargo box in the event of a sudden stop. The Vector comes with 4 universal mounting clamps with a PowerClick design. These mounting clamps easily snap into an adjustable 15-inch track and attaches to the crossbars in seconds with a simple turn of a knob. The PowerClick design has taken out the guesswork on whether or not the clamps are going to be securely attached to the crossbars. Once you reach adequate tightness, the knob will make a click noise like a gas cap. Like most Thule cargo boxes, the Vector has a DualSide opening and a keyed locking system to ensure the cargo box is locked to the vehicle. Simply insert the key and turn clockwise, then use the gray button to unlatch the top lid. When you press the gray button, you'll hear a click, then use the built-in lid handle to open the cargo box. Last but not least, the Vector cargo box includes a storage lid cover to help prevent your cargo box from getting scratched in storage. Thanks for watching our Vector cargo box video. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-272-5362 or visit us at rackwarehouse.com. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.